Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to rotate an object in 3D using MicroSurvey's MSCAD. You can see I have my 2D shape drawn here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the Edit tab and I'm going to click on the drop down below Rotate and I'm going to choose 3D Rotate. Then I'm just going to select my object here by clicking and dragging a window around it. And then it's going to get me to select the axis that I want to rotate around. And now it gives me a few options, the X, the Y, the Z axis. And I can also just define it by clicking on 2 points, so that's what I'm going to do here. Once I've done that, I set the angle that I want to rotate it at, either by clicking and dragging my mouse, or I can just type the angle in the command line. Once I've done that, you can see my object is now rotated. It's on a completely different axis than it was before. That's all for today's video. If you have an idea of what you'd like to see next in these videos, leave it in the comments down below. If you like what we're doing here and you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe to our channel if you want to see all the latest how-to videos and promotional videos from Benchmark. And as always, subscribe to our channel if you want to see everything else we got on the way. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.